Fluffy here, and today we are unboxing the all-new OMG Remix plane. It has over 50 surprises. As you can see, this thing is so huge, okay? It's big. It says there's a car, a recording studio, and a mixing booth. We're about to see what all this is about, friends. Okay, and as you know, I have my helper here.
Hi.
And we are about to unbox this huge, gigantic, monstrous toy. So the first thing we notice about our plane, friends, is that it is moving so easy. As you can see, it has these heartbreak wheels, which LOL Surprises knows.
I can't wait to just open it up.
This is nice, friends. This is how it is straight out the box. We have not done nothing to it. Okay, next, let's see.
There we go.
You gotta like click it on. Let me see what it says about the wings.
And I also think that it's the wrong way. We're meant to go on this side.
Oh yeah, we're supposed to open it from there, and I'll turn it around. But yeah, so you can lift the wings up on each side.
There's the door.
Okay. My helper's very smart, my friends. And we are turning it around so we can open it this way. Release the thing. And then...
The first one.
Ooh, I love how you can just open...
Whoa, feel it.
Ooh, and I know you guys can't really... And hold on, I'm going to zoom in. Put your finger on it. Trying to see if you guys can see. This is made out of like a furry... fuzzy staircase.
It's a thin layer of fur.
Like, I can't explain it, but definitely like a carpet.
Whoa.
Oh, wow. It comes all the way down. But this staircase is nice, luxurious. Okay, luxurious, friends. Next. Let's see. You like it? Let's see. Let's open it. Ooh, and then look, friends. We have a box of surprises.
Yeah.
Let me use the X-Acto knife to get this open. Real easy. Yeah, cut that. We're gonna need to cut that. I don't know. They really are trying to hold that down. You got it? Okay. Okay, friends. Woo! I did a close-up on it. Ooh, look at the lights. Blue and pink. Definitely OMG world. Let's sit her in here so we can show them how it is.
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to go on my trip.
Right,
Where are we going?
Right, her first plane trip.
I hope we're going to China or Ooh, we could go to Africa.
Ooh, look. The back of the seat comes down, and then pop, blam, wow. Ooh, the seats come out, my friends. Oh, yes, I like this. So that way, if you need to adjust her, you can. There we go. There we go. Nice.
Safe and secure.
And then these little pegs, and these little pegs, they correspond. Let me zoom into the pegs so they can see. The pegs on the floor and these pegs right here, they correspond. Let me move this.
Stick, and they don't like slide.
Yep, and these don't slide around, which I like that. Blind bags, friends. Ooh.
Blind bags.
I like these blind bags, guys, because these are actually like
recyclable.
Right.
Okay, yeah, they are.
And just they're colorful, like. Okay, for the mixing studio, you pull it off. Like we said, and then this little thing right here, you basically kind of got to flip the front of the plane upside down. This thing sits right here. Okay, so you have a thing sitting right here to stand you up. You push this little yellow football looking pole thing, you push that up out of the way, okay? And then you lift up the little cockpit down there, and then the seat opens up for anybody in the mixing studio, which would be Honeylicious. Here we are, sitting in our mixing studio. I think that's cute. And then you can just open it and she can be doing her beats with her. If you have her laptop, you can just do beats in the mixing studio. Very nice, very cute. I like it. I like it. And she also has a seatbelt to put on, so the seat just flips right on up the other way. This is so cute. Let me zoom in, see the little mixing studio and all that. That's just cute to me. Well done, MGA. Well done. So here is the car. You release it. It just kind of pops out of the plane. And when you guys read the directions, you'll see what we're talking about. But it just pops out of the plane. I think it's really cute. You can move these seats around in the back for your friends. These pop out to get little place settings. But the car is very, very nice. They should have made some way to have some type of real steering wheel. That would have been nice for the car, but it still does what it needs to do. Still does the job. Like, I really enjoy this. This is really, really cute. This is a really cute car. Really, really cute car. MGA has done it again. Very sweet. And of course, you know our girl Honey Licious is so cute in this car. She is just adorable. Like, oh, look at her. She just matches everything so well. The studio is pretty tall. The recording studio, you basically have to flip the plane kind of right side up, and then use these little lights and wings to like hold it up. But it's still nice because like it's just like a recording studio where they have the boxes, and these are like the sound boxes to make sure to soundproof the room. Then they have little stands in here, and I'm going to open up our blind bags because I believe like our microphone and things that we need for the recording studio are unopened in our packages. So let me get to that. Oh, ooh, luggage. Nice. Oh my gosh, friends. Oh my gosh, is it functional? Let me see if it's functional, I'm going to die. Oh, it's functional, friends. Isn't that lovely? Like, it really actually, oh my gosh, that is so neat. Look, the handle goes up and down. Real luggage for my BBs. Okay, we are going to travel in style. Oh my gosh, do the wheels? Hold on, let me feel. Okay, the wheels don't work. I was about to say, if the wheels work on this thing, woo! Okay, but still, the fact that I can open this and stick my accessories in it, I'm glad this is the first thing I open, because we're gonna, by the looks of this little pack right here, we're gonna need a place to put stuff. All right, next thing. Ooh, another luggage set. Nice, okay. The handle does not come open on this, but it does open in general. This is really cute. I'm loving their luggage. Sweet, okay? This is so lovely, guys. I love it. Okay, next. Oh, this is our little tray for the plane. When like the flight attendant comes down your way, they usually have food on a tray, and they have like a 3-tier tray, and the wheels do move. This does work. Let me show you. Ooh, it works just fine. It works really good. Okay, good. One last thing. I don't know what this is, but it's some sort of, oh, okay. Stands for the feet and a stand to hold up whoever is singing at the moment. I believe that is what it's for. And let me see if we can put it in there. 1 second. Yep, fits right there. I knew if we opened up some things, we would be able to get our BBs standing in the right spots. This This is nice. This is so nice. Okay. We have a little tot shirt that says crew. I'm guessing for the airplane crew. I think that's cute. We've got 2 headsets, which I think are super cute. One for the tots, one for the OMGs. Really super cute. 2 neck pillows. Isn't that cute? And they feel really good. Like, I can't explain it, but they feel really jelly and good. Like they actually work. Some sort of like iPod, or I don't know. You guys tell me what you think this is. Some sort of iPod, or some sort of boarding pass maybe. But then it has a TV on it. So I believe it's some sort of like electronic device. Either way, very cute. Might even be the remote to the TV when you're on the plane. 2 little cups, which I think are cute, to sit on the tray. 2 little like discs. These are like little discs, I guess I would say platinum records that you could put up in your recording studio. A lot of people have like, I know you can't see this. This one says the Queen. A lot of people have like records and platinum records up and stuff like that in recording studios to show songs that they've done. This one says Purple Tears. Cute. But those also can double as just regular plates too, just to eat off of. I think that's also what it's for. This, some cute little sunglasses. I guess I'm thinking that these are for my OMGs because they're so big. And then they gave us like this microphone. They gave us this microphone. I know that obviously this goes on top of in a recording studio. And then they gave us this microphone to hold too. So 2 different types of microphones. Your stage one. And then in a recording studio, when you're recording a song, you would obviously sing into like a bigger speaker to make sure that everything catches everything. I'm not gonna lie, friends, I do not know how to put this together, so I will have to figure it out later, but these are the pieces to the microphone. Okay, friends, I'm going to come back with some pictures of Honeylicious standing in the recording studio because I think it's really cool. So you guys can see it all of its glory now that it's finished and put together, and I'll be right back. Okay, friends, we are back with Honeylicious singing in her studio. Friends, this studio is massive and we just love it. We finally got the microphone put together. I just wanted everybody to see how grand this studio is, and just like I said, the studio's huge. It's beautiful, adorable. The little lights, oh my gosh, just so nice and so cute. Just want everybody to see. We will see you next time, friends. Bye bye now.